Have you ever had a part that either calls for a brake drum or an anvil? Well, this will do the trick for either of those. Now, you won't have much luck if you go to your local music store and ask to purchase a brake drum. But if you go to your local salvage yard, you will. Now, you might have to field questions about which make or model you're looking for. Just tell them you want a brake drum and you want to be able to hear what it sounds like. You'll see the brake drum called for in a lot of 20th century or more modern music. Some music might call for an anvil, and you want a really strong metallic sound. The brake drum works great for that, especially when played with metal mallets. So in addition to using a brake drum for a part that calls for anvil, sometimes parts call for brake drums themselves. So you can use either metal mallets like we heard with the anvil, or you can use rubber or plastic mallets. Here's some plastic mallets. Or a little bit softer, more subdued rubber sound. In addition to being asked for occasionally in symphonic music, the brake drum has a mainstay role in Caribbean calypso music. In the calypso tradition, you'll have musicians who play grooves on the brake drum with metal rods. It might sound something like this.